Shout out to Elon Musk. He gets it. He is listening to the creators. The people who run Twitter is the people who post the most, the people that want to monetize it. You know, we all go to YouTube because YouTube have the money. So this is what brother Musk tweeted today. Apply to offer your followers subscriptions of any material, from long form text to long hour videos. Just tap monetization in the settings. For the next 12 months, Twitter will keep none of the monies. You'll receive whatever money we receive, so that's 70% for subscriptions on iOS and Android. They charge 30% and 92% on web. Could be better, depending on a payment processor. After a year, iOS and Android fees drop to 15%, and we will add a small amount on top of that, depending on the volume. We will also help promote your work. Our goal is to maximize creator prosperity. At any point, you can leave our platform and take your work with you. Easy in, easy out. LFG. Let's freaking go. Amazing deal. Now, the way I look at it is, I probably wouldn't do it with my finance channel. I probably do this with my sports channel because I provide sports bets. Like I have a Patreon. I charge people $20 a month where I give daily bets. It takes me like 6 hours a day to come up with some great bets. Like yesterday, we went 6-0, won a lot of people some money. So in one day you can win a lot, but you know, it's not always like that. So for my Twitter followers, I might do a $5 a month tweet parlay of the day. So give them one bet. Shit, all we gotta do is go 50% in a month. You get your money back. So the way how to do it, he said, go to profile, go to settings, and go to the monetization. Bonus content for most engaged followers. Check your eligibility. So let's say, do what you love and earn money doing it. Offer your favorite followers a little something extra. Porn stars is going to go nuts with this. This is a complete win for XXX content creators, because if you follow the nasty stuff I follow sometimes on here, they're going to take advantage of this. This is crazy. How much money can your subscriptions make? So if you got this, 8% of your followers, hey, you know, I ain't gonna do nothing. Since I got a real one, Patreon, I wouldn't go nuts with this. But you click eligibility, it said be one of the first to apply. Good news, you meet our requirements. You only need 500 followers, which is a win because I'm thinking it's about to say 10,000. This said 500. Let's go. Thank God I just started promoting my T Sports debate. Make sure you guys following. If you like sports, follow that stuff over here, because I might post it on my main channel. 25 tweets in the past 30 days. Look at me. I've been active doing some tweeting, player. By applying, you agree for these terms. Confirm your age. I am over 18. My user account. Category. We are doing sports, gaming, finance, sports. Bam. Okay. What else y'all need to know? I did that. Let's see if we go back. I require. Where do you share your content? On YouTube. I share it on TikTok. I share it on Twitter. Sometimes I share it on all of it. Patreon. Let's just go. Damn near all of it. Thank you, sir. Or ma'am. All right. Plan usage. How do you plan to use this subscription? To provide my engaged followers sports and how the hell you spell lytics? I'll change it. There we go. Thank you. My sport. Okay, let's see, because you don't want to say, hey, just give me bets. To provide my engaged followers sports analytics content on which sports bets I provide daily. Low Beach. Submit your application. Bam, your application has been submitted. Keep an eye out for an email with an update on your application content. And it's just like that. What's your thoughts? I like it. I am a fan. Great move. Great move. Elon Musk. Genius. Let me know if you guys are a content creator and you probably would take advantage of it. Me, I'll probably do it. $5. Here go one dope ass bet a day. On the finance side, I don't know yet. I will have to figure it out. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe button, all that good stuff. And I'm gone.